we are on Whyte Ave again. Today is May 23rd and we're conducting more street reporting interviews today. Okay, so the first question I want to ask you guys is, how much knowledge do you have on human rights in Alberta or even in Edmonton? Or do you think it applies to where we live at all?
First, I think it does apply. I don't know how much I know per se, but it's applicable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. I don't know a whole lot, but
Okay, cool. So basically our focus is on the rights of children, right? So we're just kind of wondering in regards to children, how knowledgeable, how accessible do you think children in Alberta are to education, for example?
Percentage-wise, I think the majority of children have access to education. I don't know how many aren't taking up the opportunities. That's a stat I'm not up on, but...
Yeah, not a lot of knowledge, but I think there's the opportunity there.
Okay, cool. What about the access for children to something like legal aid? Let's say there was a youth who might be caught up in the justice system, maybe there was a bylaw infringement or something. How likely do you think that they'd be able to access legal aid?
I'm aware that there's a branch of family legal aid that applies to children and minors, but I'm not sure how easy it is for them to access it. I know there are lawyers appointed to children or youth under the age of 18, but again, I'm not sure how many take up what is there.
Yeah, I guess most would be able to. I would hope they would be. So.
What about something like sexual health? What do you think how accessible is that for you in the city? And knowledge about that or more resources for it?
I've heard of Tara and the Pregnancy Center. Actually, maybe I'm saying that name wrong, but those I've seen advertising for or heard it on the radio, so I know they exist. I'm not sure where all of those centers are located, but hopefully somewhere central, downtown maybe.
Yeah, I know of Birthright too. There's my mom worked for them. Yeah, I know the resources are out there. I'm not sure if they're really knowing about them, like the youth are. I haven't seen them advertised.
What about general health care, besides just sexual health? How do you think accessible that is for children?
That may be less so, unless they're going to hospitals or clinics, that sort of thing, but maybe that's something that you see more kids with families going. I've never seen children going in of their own volition or by themselves. So.
Yeah, I know how I kind of learned about that was in school, like even in elementary. That's kind of like the primary, how it got out there, just through word. But yeah, that's all